Hey guys, Kimberly Tilley here, coming to you from my home in Toronto, Canada. And I just wanted to talk to you today about sacrifice. In this business, people have sacrificed so much. You know, sacrificed lack of sleep, lack of being with their families, lack of partying, lack of doing all the fun things. But it pays off in the end. I mean, I don't sleep. Look at these bags under these eyes. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I don't get to sleep a lot. But I know that my work is going to pay off, and it's worth that for me. And I want you to know that if you work hard enough and you believe in yourself enough, it will pay off. I know there's lots of single moms out there, lots of stay-at-home parents just like me. You know, we have to sacrifice a lot. We have to sacrifice time with our children. I know after I put my son to bed at night, that's when I do my work. Like tonight, it's after midnight, and I'm doing my work. So if you've been there and you feel what I'm saying, just comment on the link below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Stay connected or subscribe to my videos or my YouTube channel. And stay connected with me on Facebook. I'd love to hear from you. Ciao for now.